survive like 99 nights. What do you say about the video, Jiro?
It's gonna be chaotic.
What is that? What is that?
Wait,
What the hell? What is that? Yes!
We have nobody. Look.
Oh my god.
We have like today's video. We're gonna eat it.
What do you gotta say about it? Subscribe, bro. Yeah. Oh, see? You look. I found official. Who is official? I'll keep whistling, okay? If your guys lost, just waypoint. Look. Why did you leave?
Because I have no control.
Oh, okay. Okay, guys, you'll find the food. I'll go build the base. Okay, start building, Jerry, before it's nighttime. Patrick! Okay, start building the base already. Hurry up. We're gonna build the walls first before, it's too late. Okay, guys, whistle so Patrick can see us. Guys, hurry up. 55 seconds already. Okay, hurry up. We have 14, 13, 12, 11, 10ers, 9ers, 8ers, 7ers, 6ers, 5ers, 4ers, 3ers. Hurry up, guys. Hurry up. Guys, come here. Jerry, come here, inside. Come here. Patrick, hurry up. Oh my God. Hurry up. Wait.
We can go up.
Patrick, I'm here.
Come here.
Whistle. Wait, I see you.
Oh no, we are trapped.
Hurry up. Okay. Guys, while it's night, listen, Patrick. Go.
I am Germany and I love
Oh no?
Let me guitar. You can also punch some employees as well. And it's not illegal. Okay guys, Derek, Sakuna, waypoint already.
Yeah, I guess.
Okay, waypoint already, so if you die, you know where to go. Okay guys, okay? Listen to me, dude. Listen to me. Yes. Yo, that. Your avatar must be illegal. I'll explain why.
Why?
Because, look at you. You're naked.
No, but
There you go. I can build now. Patrick, help me build now. Get some lights and some furniture.
We got some lights. Dick, help me to get the food.
Yo, look at this, dude. Oh my god, I dropped it.
Remember, get some food like lemonade.
Whoa, wait, what?
What did? Yo, yes, keep that. Yes, let's go, dude. Good. Yeah. Keep that. Yo, the room is already on fire. Yo, what else, that? Oh yeah, let's go. Okay, get everything.
What? We're literally in the... What?
Yo, get medkit, dude. Get medkit. Patrick, help us build. I'm also making a second story if we can really get it. Oh my god, no, wait. Damn it. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. It's already 10 minutes. 6, 7. No. Patrick, what? Yo, I found the glitch. No, I swear. Wait. Where's Patrick? I mean, what? Okay, we have 1:30 minutes. Wait, what are you watching? Yo, what the? Is that Kanye West? No way. Okay, guys, we have 50 seconds left. Hurry up, get inside.
What is it? It's so bright.
Wait, I'm gonna get some food. We need some lamp, so it's more like...
How many seconds left?
19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Guys, hurry up, get inside. Guys. Oh! I destroyed everything!
No, I'm dying all. There's no way they had this. There's no way they had
What the hell is that? No! It destroys everything on its path. Oh yeah, it's gone. No! What? It fell. No! What? Yo! Is that you?
Wait, what?
It's the elves! Hi guys! Look at the elves. Why are you here? It's not Christmas anymore. I'ma punch you, dude. I'ma punch you, bro. You can't just spawn them. Wait, look. You can punch them. You can punch them.
Wait, I think that's the employees.
I think.
But they have a skin.
Wait,
Oh, look at this.
yo, I found some billiard. I found a pool table. I found a pool table. Get it.
It's disgusting.
Yo, we can use this as a table, the pool table. Because it's called a table, right? What is that? What is that? Get to the other. Wait. Okay, come.
Look at that, so many. Look at
What?
Oh,
What? Wait,
they have no, they have no bodies. Look.
Oh my god. I can also make sex.
Hey, make me fly. Oh, I'm chicken nugget.
Me, oh.
Chicken nugget, come here.
Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, snowman. Let's go decorate it.
What the heck? The sweater is...
Bro, our videos are
No,
What the...
look at it.
You get negative health. What? Not eating that, bro.
I think spawn something.
They come. Get out there.
Yo, wait, it can change colors. Look, not like the other one. Look at it. You can change them colors. See? Okay. I know it. I knew it.
Today's video, we're gonna eat this.
What?
What are you laughing?
Bro, I planned this before, bro. Just to eat this all.
Look at it. He's having a mukbang.
We're gonna eat this.
What is that? What the hell is that noise?
Patrick! Why did you spawn the...
What is that?
What the?
Are we playing Doors right now?
Oh my
You're dead.
Guys, you survived 0 nights. Well, guys, if you like the video, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, guys? Bye-bye!
42 minutes.